Have you ever stared at a blank screen, feeling the pressure mount as you try to find the perfect words, only to end up circling the same old ideas? Writer's block is real, and it can slow down even the most creative minds. What if you could skip the frustration and jump straight into producing fresh, engaging, and SEO-optimized content in just 3 minutes? Today, that's exactly what I'll show you. How Writesonic, a powerful AI writing tool, can revolutionize the way you brainstorm, draft, and publish, no matter your niche or audience size. Let's start with the basics. What is Writesonic? Imagine having a virtual assistant who's always ready to help you write, available at any time of day, and highly adaptable to whatever project you're working on. That's what this platform offers. Writesonic is an AI-powered writing tool built to streamline your content creation process and help you churn out high-quality text with ease. It's not just a glorified spell checker. It actually learns from the latest trends, helping you maintain relevance in the ever-evolving world of digital content. With Writesonic, you're not limited to just one type of content. Whether you need blog posts, product descriptions, compelling ads, or social media updates, there's a template for you, over 70 in fact. Writesonic's versatility lies in its scope. It can assist in crafting everything from long-form articles to catchy headlines, meaning you no longer have to juggle multiple apps or services. One standout feature is the AI article writer, currently in its 6th iteration, which ensures your content is both engaging for readers and SEO-friendly for search engines. This means your work isn't just well-written, it also ranks. Going global? That's covered too. Writesonic supports writing in more than 25 languages, empowering you to reach audiences around the world without worrying about awkward translations or cultural missteps. Plus, with the integrated ChatSonic feature, similar to ChatGPT but equipped with real-time data from across the web, you can generate content that's up-to-date and contextually relevant. Say goodbye to stale information and out-of-date examples. Everything you produce via Writesonic is fresh, timely, and accurate. Let's bring this closer to home with a real-life scenario that any marketer or content creator will recognize. Imagine you're working on a blog post to drive traffic to your website. Before Writesonic, the process is draining. You spend hours brainstorming catchy titles, shifting paragraphs around, trying to strike the perfect tone. The more you write, the more stuck you feel. The result? A draft that's rough and ultimately uninspiring. Now, picture the same project, but this time you're using Writesonic. You open the dashboard, pick a blog post template from the extensive library, and type in your main keywords, perhaps your product, your target audience, and the message you want to get across. You can set the tone, specify the length, and even tweak for SEO. Once you hit Generate, the AI works swiftly, pulling from its vast databanks to produce a polished, structured article in under 3 minutes. The hard part is over. Now you're left to review, personalize, and hit Publish. The difference is striking, from frustration and time drain to efficiency and creative empowerment. So how do you use Writesonic? The process couldn't be simpler, whether you're a tech pro or a complete beginner. You begin by creating a free account and logging in. Once you're in, you'll see a clean dashboard that prompts you to choose what kind of content you want to create. Need a blog post? A sales email? Maybe a witty tweet or ad copy? Select your template from the intuitive menu. Next, you enter your topic or main keywords. This is where you guide the AI. Let it know what you want to talk about, what style to use, and how long you'd like the piece to be. You can specify a casual conversation, a formal announcement, or something in between. Fill out the relevant fields, click Generate, and watch as your request is transformed into a surprisingly sophisticated piece of writing. What's more, Writesonic gives you control over the final product. The AI may generate the bones of the piece, but you always have the option to review, edit, and refine. Add your own anecdotes, tweak the voice, or integrate specific brand terms until it feels uniquely yours. When you're satisfied, you can export your work in various formats and post it directly to your website, marketing campaign, or social feed. The whole process is designed to be seamless, saving you hours of effort with no sacrifice of quality. Of course, no tool is perfect, so let's consider the pros and cons of working with Writesonic. On the plus side, Writesonic is a massive time saver. The amount of effort you save by not having to come up with every headline, subheading, and call to action from scratch is invaluable. The tool's multi-language support enables you to diversify and expand your reach without hiring extra translators or writers. The built-in keyword optimization means that even if you don't consider yourself an SEO expert, your content stands a better chance of ranking high on Google. And with an interface that feels refreshingly simple, you don't need any technical skills, just your ideas. But there are a few drawbacks. While Writesonic's output is impressive, it isn't always perfect. Occasionally, you'll need to polish the AI's suggestions to better fit your brand's voice or specific needs. The higher-end features and unlimited usage require a premium plan, which might be a stretch if you're just starting out or have a limited budget. That said, for the productivity boost and decrease in writing workload, many content creators find the investment well worth it. If you're ready to take the leap and discover how simple content creation can be, why not try Writesonic out for yourself? With just a few clicks, you could be turning your creative ideas into full-fledged articles, ads, and posts, ready to share with the world in mere minutes. Click the link below to start your journey with Writesonic. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, reviews, and productivity hacks exploring the latest in AI-powered tools. Thank you for joining me today. If you're hungry for more insights or want to stay on top of the ever-expanding world of artificial intelligence tools for creators, stay tuned. Subscribe now to make sure you never miss the next update or review. Your next breakthrough in content creation could be just a click away.